I am Austin, studying in 7th standard. I am about to talk about my experience with GyanPro in my class of 20 days of App Lab and Game Lab. I was able to learn coding or JavaScript. In App Lab, I learned how to make buttons, screens, and how to make them work. I even made a project in which I had to take URL of pictures and could add it to my list of favorite things. And I could even scroll through them. Now let's talk about Game Lab. Game Lab is the place I learned to make sprites, move using keys, and how to make sprites and how to make backgrounds. Here I also created a project in which I made a shooting game with instructions. It was a multiplayer PC only game with